Did you recently receive an administrative law judge denial in your Social Security disability claim and are wondering what to do next? My name is Caitlin Wildomer, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. Today, I'm going to discuss the Appeals Council review process for Social Security disability claims. The Appeals Council review is the third level of appeal in the Social Security disability process after a denial at an administrative law judge or ALJ hearing. Here are some things to know. The Appeals Council reviews the ALJ's decision to determine whether legal errors were made or if the decision is supported by substantial evidence. There are several decisions that can result from an Appeals Council appeal. They can either approve your case directly, they can send the case back down to the administrative law judge for another hearing, which is known as a remand, or they can deny the request for review if it finds that the ALJ's decision was correct and supported by the evidence. If you disagree with the administrative law judge's decision, you can request that Appeals Council review. You do have to file that request within 60 days of the date on the ALJ's decision, plus an additional 5 days for mailing, but I typically advise people you want to file that appeal within 60 days of the date on the ALJ decision that was mailed. You can request that review by submitting a request for review. You can do it online directly with the Social Security Administration, or there is Form HA 520, which is the request for review of hearing decision and order. When you submit that appeal, you are allowed to submit supporting evidence. You can submit a detailed explanation of why you believe the administrative law judge made an error, and certain new evidence can be submitted for review if it is relevant and was unavailable at the time of the hearing. The Appeals Council does not hold another hearing, but instead it reviews the administrative law judge decision, evidence and testimony from the hearing, and certain additional evidence that you may provide. Possible outcomes, again, are an approval, which is rare, but it is possible if the evidence strongly supports your case. Another outcome is a remand. That is what sends the case back down to the administrative law judge for additional review or a new decision. Also possible is a denial. That would end the appeals process within the Social Security system, and the only way that your case can continue is if you elect to file a claim in federal court. Decisions at the Appeals Council can take several months to over a year, as usual, depending on case complexity and backlog. If the Appeals Council decision is denied, you can file a lawsuit in federal district court as the final step in the appeals process. You may also be able to start a new application for disability benefits as long as your condition has worsened since the unfavorable ALJ decision. If your case is remanded for another hearing, prepare for that second administrative law judge hearing with new evidence or arguments. Some of the common reasons that the Appeals Council will review a claim are if there are errors in applying Social Security regulations, or if the ALJ ignored or misinterpreted key evidence. Similarly, if there are procedural issues during the hearing, or if there is a lack of substantial evidence supporting the administrative law judge's decision. The Appeals Council reviews cases for legal and procedural errors, offering limited outcomes. Again, while rare, it can sometimes approve or remand your case. Otherwise, if the Appeals Council declines to review your case, the only option is federal court. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below, or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.